You're about to see breaking news that could change the future of Tesla, and maybe even the balance of power in artificial intelligence. Today, all eyes are on Elon Musk's $56 billion pay package as Tesla holds its annual shareholder vote. But it's what ARK Invest's Cathie Wood just said that has investors stunned, not only backing Musk's pay, but predicting a future built on robotaxis and humanoid robots. What she revealed could redefine how Tesla is valued for the next decade. Let's take a look at the report from CNBC.
Good morning to you. We are awaiting these results. I don't know if it's a foregone conclusion. If you look at some of the betting markets, whether it's Kalshi or Poly Market, it's like a 90+% chance that Elon Musk's pay package is approved. Obviously, that still means that there's a 10% chance it isn't. If, in fact, it isn't, what do you think actually would happen?
Andrew, I don't know. Now that the prediction markets are where they are, we're not thinking about that. We're on to, once they're done with, or once they've launched robotaxis, how long will it take to launch and scale humanoid robots? So it's a very big story run by the most productive human being and visionary human being on Earth. So we think he deserves this pay package. And if he delivers 41% compound annual rate of EBITDA growth, so that's bottom line, for the next 10 years, that will put Tesla in rarefied territory. Right. Never has a company anywhere near this size done anything like that. And that will bring a lot of other people along.
That's Cathie Wood doubling down on Tesla's long-term vision. And her numbers are eye-popping. She's talking about a $2,600 price target by 2030, driven almost entirely by robotaxis, with humanoid robots barely factored in. If even part of that materializes, we're looking at one of the most aggressive growth forecasts in market history. But beyond Tesla's valuation, the real story here is AI supremacy. Cathie points out that China's AI ecosystem is catching up fast, fueled by open-source software and government-backed coordination. Meanwhile, U.S. innovation is being driven by private giants like Tesla, OpenAI, and NVIDIA. So this isn't just a corporate story. It's a race between nations for control of the next technological revolution.
And I find the argument against the package. I mean, look, I understand why people don't like the package. There are people who feel that they're being held hostage, and I get that. But the truth is he will not get paid unless they get paid. And so I've been surprised. Have you talked to actually any of the, governance firms like ISS or Glass Lewis or any of these pension funds that have been raising red flags?
No, I haven't. I do think, we don't think ISS and Glass Lewis are doing the right kind of research to understand, to put into perspective what this company is doing, and therefore what a compensation scheme should look like, actually. Pay for performance, align company management with shareholders long term. Right now we have shareholders very short-term focused, and that has made management teams very short-term focused, and it's a big problem for this market. Tesla's doing things the right way, and I think this is a very important vote.
When you look at the valuation of Tesla and just your projections for the company, how much of the math for you is about robotaxis versus humanoid robots and whatever else comes after that?
Right. Well, so we have a 2030 price target of, it's published, it's out there, 2,600. Hasn't changed in quite some time. 90% of that valuation is a function of robotaxis. We have very little for humanoid robots, and we're doing the research right now to understand how difficult it will be to scale humanoid robots. The problem, or the humanoid robot problem, complexity, is multiples of robotaxis. Now, we think Tesla is in the best position because it's already a robotics, energy storage, and AI company with robotaxis. So it's a good part of the way there, much further than most companies, I would say. And so we have very little in that 2,600 for humanoid robots. To the extent humanoid robots evolve faster than we're expecting, then that price target goes up.
This is the Cryptagon. Stay sharp, stay informed.